In this video, I'll guide you through how to close your Sofi Invest account. Whether you're looking to simplify your finances or just need a change, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Let's dive right in. Start by opening the Sofi app on your device and log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, head over to the investment section. This is where you'll need to ensure that you have no existing securities positions. If you do have any holdings, you'll need to take action on them before you can proceed with closing your account. You have two options here. You can either transfer these holdings to another firm using an AKT transfer, which is a secure way to move your investments, or you can sell them outright and withdraw the proceeds to your bank account. Choose the option that best fits your financial needs. Now it's time to check your account balance. Navigate to the buying power section and make sure that your balance is at zero. If you find that you have any remaining funds, you'll need to withdraw them to your linked bank account. This step is crucial because you cannot proceed with closing your account unless your balance shows zero. In case you encounter a negative balance, make sure to resolve it before moving forward. Once your balance is settled, take a moment to review the scheduled tab in your recent activity. Here, you'll want to cancel any recurring deposits or purchases that you have set up. This ensures that no new transactions will occur while you're in the process of closing your account. With everything cleared, you're ready to proceed to the final steps. Tap on the gear icon, also known as the Manage option, located in the top right corner of your Invest account. From the options presented, select Close Account. You'll be prompted to confirm your request, so go ahead and do that to complete the process. And that's it. You've successfully closed your Sofi Invest account. Remember, it's important to ensure all positions are cleared and your balance is zero before you hit that final confirmation. Thanks for following along, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips on managing your finances.